thanks for watching. So I'm continuing on this. I just have to check. Oh, my screen is frozen. So just a sec. Basically, I'm working more today on my stock market analysis. I was doing this earlier. I'm building the model here, but then I stopped to eat dinner. So I'm going to continue until I finish making the model. Making a general model I could plug any stock into. And then once I have this, I'll build it as a class, and I'll be able to put a universe of stocks into it. And that will really help us do our analysis on the stock market. Before I started calling bitches so regularly without no melody. Okay, so this is frozen, right? Yeah. Just a sec. My screen share is frozen, so I have to remove it. Then add screen share. Dark skin and Aunt Viv love. Okay, good. Now is this live? Okay, then I just have to put my face over. Cool. She would flirt back, taking off a skirt. Let her wear my shirt for she leave. I'ma need my shirt back. One time for the LA sisters. Okay, so let's think. Where are we at? We're splitting up the training data. Let's make sure that's going correctly. So train test split returns splitting. Fool me one time, shame on you. Fool me twice, can't put the blame on you. X train, X test, Y train, Y test. Yeah, so that's good. So we've got train and test data. Now we have to find light GBM, add pandas data frame to data set. Only regret was too young, shoddy you do. Import light GBM. She's shallow. And DF, right? Yeah, so we can say LGB train LGB dot data set DF label equals why would it label X train data Y train? Oh, so label, I think label is the thing you're trying to get. Let's just try putting that here. Oh, I need to go, let me go to the stream real quick and put a chat in. Pocket full of sunshine, I got some bitches in my life and my own mind. Thanks for watching. I work on this every day. Subscribe to follow along. On the home mine, I got a pocket full of sunshine. Okay, so what do we call it here? Pocket full of sunshine. Yaya on a FaceTime. Down the middle. I got a pocket full of sunshine. No, not that. Just make it Y test. Fuck the one time, fuck a job, fuck a lunch line. I got a pocket full of sunshine. I got some bitches in my life and they all mine. Alright, let's see if this runs and if the data has anything. I got a pocket full of sunshine. I got some bitches in my life and they all mine. Okay, now let's run it. This one's for you. Baby, you're my everything. You all I ever wanted. We could do it real big. Bigger than you ever done it. Now we up on everything. You need to specify access equals 1 for columns. Till she give it up. And I say the same thing every single time. We could split it like the last slice. Sweatpants, hair tied, chilling with no makeup on. I hope that you don't take it wrong. Data feature name category figures equals data from pandas. Pandas to numpy. Check for bad pandas data types. So if I do tests, whistle, Andy Griffith theme song. Who told you to put them jeans on? It's float, but everything's a nan. And we only gone every time I hit up. She made me beg for it till she gave it up, and I say the same thing every single time. You the best, you the best, you the best, you're the best I ever had. Okay, so I just took out EV bit doll because we're not finding any data for that. That's expected. If I turn on the fundamentals visualizer, and then test it, you can see there's no value for EV EBITDA. And that's because there's one of the categories, there's no data for that. So that's to be expected. So let's run this now. Now you're lost in the heat of it all. Cannot call get data after freed raw data. Now you're lost in the heat of it all. You know you're lost in the thrill of it all. Lord knows. Cooking dough. Oh, so that's just it's just gonna give us the pandas data frame. Just you and I lost in the heat of it all. Amsterdam, Tokyo, Spain, Lord knows. Okay, so we've got our data. Percocet. Molly Percocet. I don't know how to set parameters or what I would want them to be. Fuck it, mask off. I'll just try without parameters. Never chase a bitch. 2 cups. Toast down with the gang. From food stamps to a whole nother domain. Got it. Boosting my adrenaline. Okay, then we could say model is equal to lgb.train. Never chase a bitch. Mask on. Fuck it, mask off. Drink promethazine. Game, but they are not the same. Fuck it, mask off. My guillotine. I drink promethazine. Doesn't really talk about the parameters. Oh, my neck is sore. Hey, Shao. No, this is just easy. I'm just trying to learn about the parameters. This stuff is, when I use this, it seems like it's always making a model. So I'll ask it a question and then it makes a model. It like does stuff in here. But I just want to learn about the LGBM. Also, this is just too high level and I don't understand what's going on. And the LGBM doesn't seem very hard to do. Um, I'm trying to figure out right now what, there's so many parameters. Uh, where are they? Anyway, yeah, there's so many parameters. I don't know how to use them. So I'm just trying to see, like here, it gives me those, but I don't know. Is there something important other than learning rate or shrinkage rate? Yeah, so I'm just using ChatGPT to read about the parameters. Optuna. Yeah, but then if I don't know, what do you mean you're not supposed to know how to use them? If I don't know how to use them, then I don't even know what I'm doing. Ah. Game on, flame on. I'm your bitch's ringtone. She like when I rap better when I sing song. um, yeah, wow, well, this is crazy. I guess I can just use Optuna to find the parameters. Okay, so that's higher level, so I'm just going to start with this. So let's train. I'll take a pound or two, no doubt, like Gwen Stefani's group. Them. I don't know why it does that. Soccer game. Okay, then train set. You like that dab guy, huh? Okay, so now we're gonna get a model. And then what's that return? Let's get out of all this stuff. Returns booster. Yeah. Yeah. What is validation data? I forgot. Test data? I mean train, yeah, test data. Oh, right. Validation data is the hyperparameter data. Yeah. Predict. I guess I'll just put the debugger in right here. See you on TV, sunset shit done changed ever since I was young. So if we evaluate it on LGB test, oh, I don't even know what those are. Early stopping or fixed iteration count. Oh, how many trees? I don't know. Fixed stopping versus, oh, early stopping. Oh, so early stopping must be you define a point to stop it on. And fixed iteration is how many iterations? I don't even understand what a tree is. Okay, we'll use the Google AI. Oh, it's already there. Okay, guy, tell me what is a tree in light GBM model? Man, I ran out of good songs. Blah, 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 blah. See, this guy thinks way too much. Why can't he just spit out an answer? I guess I should use not the pro model. So what we gonna have? Dessert or disaster? I never thought I'd be in love like this. Come on, thing. Its tree construction algorithm distinguishes it. Yeah, we get it. It uses leaf growth, but I don't know what the hell a tree is. It's okay. There are no good songs on that playlist. I tried an AI playlist and it gave me like good songs for 10 songs, and then it was just crap. I didn't know. Oh, this is cool. Strategy, leafwise, ready to grow. Light GBM uses a leafwise, best first strategy. It chooses the leaf with max delta. What is a leaf and what is a tree? Yeah, I guess so. This is cool. I guess this one makes me an app for everything. But now it added this in the app, so it's fine. A tree in light GBM is a weak learner in an ensemble. A weak learner in an ensemble. Not sure what that means. Unlike random forests, which build independent trees, light GBM builds trees sequentially. Oh, so it's like a random forest. I learned about random forest way long ago. It builds a bunch of decision trees to make predictions. How do I... Okay, well, that's what I'm wondering. How do I do talk to models? I don't see talk to models anywhere. What is this? Google AI Studio. Can you make it past your Caspers? The cheerleader of my dreams has seemed to only dig the head of football teams. Chat with models. Main page. I guess the problem is I'm hitting build. Oh. Thanks, Xiao. You have really probably saved me weeks, months in progress. I've been digging. Bum, 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 bum. It's a decision tree that grows leaf-wise. Oh, so it grows leaf-wise better than level-wise. So, leaf-wise growth, the most defining. So that means every grows leaf-wise. So a tree is a decision tree. Oh, so a leaf is it adds a decision. It adds something to make a decision. So it adds decisions rather than levels. They split every node at depth D. You get balanced symmetric trees. Show me a diagram of leaf. Thanks, Xiao. Back to the dab guy. Show me a diagram of leaf-wise versus, what is it? Depth-wise, level-wise. Step 1, split the root. Calculate loss. Okay, so if node B has a higher error, then you split it into two decisions. Calculate loss again. What does it mean to split it? I need a haircut. I miss you much, watching every day that goes by. I miss you much. When you add a split, you're taking a subset of data that's reached that point and deciding. Oh, adding a level means find every leaf at the bottom of the tree and split them all at once. So light GBM only does the one with the most error. Okay, back to Xiao's question. Early stopping versus fixed duration count. Fly with me, want you to fly, want you to ride with me, miss how you lie. Wish you could die with one that'll grind. I wanna make up right now, now, now. Nice. How many iterations to do? So then Who ya Hey, you said it just in a paper, just live your life. Hey. Okay, so let's go back here. We're in here. Let's see what's X train look like. Get to pandas. How much I think they should pay instead of being gracious. They violate in a major way. It ain't that black or white. Alright, I'm gonna try without validation. I just want to feed the new model in. Early stopping. Hey. Oh, at least one data set. Oh. Alright, so then we'll say X. Okay, now we have X train X. So I'll just call that X. And then we'll say X. Oh. TRN X TST. Then we'll say X train X test. So I'll just call that X. And I'll call that Y. And then feature data, target data. No, I'm train test split. That's what I was saying. Oh yeah, that was right. So because we have X and Y. So if we just call this X, call that Y, and then we'll say X test, X train, X test. So then X train, X val, Y train, Y val is equal to train test split, and features is the X, so we're splitting X and y. Now what's the next argument? Test size. Split it in half. I was thinking about her, thinking about me, thinking about us. Who we gonna be? Valid sets. Num boost round. I'll just leave that default. And then train set. And then valid sets. What is that? A bear drinking a cup of coffee? Where are these emojis coming from? I've never seen these emojis before. Are they YouTube emojis? Valid sets is... Oh, val data set. Oh, right. And then we have to say... I was thinking about her, thinking about me, thinking about us. Who we gonna be? It was only just a dream. Equals lgb.dataset. Xval for label is equal to yval. But hey. All right, and then valid sets is equal to LGB. It's a pillow? Oh. I almost put pillow there. LGB val. Validation. Okay, let's see how this guy does. Only just a dream. I did forget a comma. Everything. Okay, so now we have the model. We want to do model. This is what's returned. Predict. Okay, so model dot predict X test. Okay, this is funny because it's training on Ford. First off, this is exciting. It worked. So I'm testing on Ford, and what's the model predict? All negative returns. But that's not a surprise, I guess, because Ford had a rough go of it. Too late to apologize. Horizon. Yeah, that's what I'm predicting log returns. What does horizon mean? End goal? Yeah, it's a regression. Oh, I say that, but I guess I didn't specify that. I guess I just believe it's a regression. I guess I'm not certain. Oh. Oh, yeah. So I did predict y test. Type y val. No, test. Oh, 1 day. It's doing 1 day in the future. It's just taking the fundamental data, the days since the report, the close of the previous day, and then it's predicting the log return. I guess then the close of the previous day isn't changing much. So probably that doesn't play a factor. And so probably just the fundamental data is affecting it, which doesn't change much, which is why it's always negative. Okay, I'll just plug that in. Okay, so we can see it's not doing a very good job. The one time anything changed is here. What's directional accuracy? Oh, where I got the correct direction. Yeah, so obviously that's not very high. Oh, just outputting the mean return. Do you think? Because the it does vary, but not very much. Aha. So it's trying to minimize loss. That's because I'm doing too many days. So when I'm doing it over the whole data set, it minimizes loss by going to the average. So do I need to change how it minimizes loss? Or use probably I need to not try to predict for every day, try to predict for like a month or something like that. But then I've got to reorganize the data. Need to reward it more for guessing correctly on values further from 0. Okay. The model is predicting a near constant output. Knows what I'm trying to predict. How do I change this to reward values further from 0? I wonder, is SPY a data set in Adult Hub? Won't be in earnings, but it might be here. Whoa, that was a lot. Classic problem. Since stock returns, log returns, are mostly nodes around 0, the safest way for a model to minimize MSE is to simply predict the mean. To force the model to take risks and predict larger values, you need to tell it that errors on large move days are more expensive than errors on flat days. Sample weighting. You can assign a weight to every row in your training data. Oh. Ni hao. What's that mean? Hey, Leaf. Ni hao is hello, right? No, for fun. Or not for fun, to get rich. I want to be rich. Which would be fun. I guess I like coding. So a little bit of both. Classification. Up or down. Maybe that would be cool. I'm not going to go through every day and label. I guess I could say if get distribution, and then if it's in the top 10%, weight it heavier. It is. Oh, no, it's not boring. No, it's cool. It's like the most powerful thing of all time. It's like, yeah, it's crazy. Instead of having to learn everything, well, it helps you learn and then it'll write code for you, which is crazy. Oh, well, Leaf has watched a bunch of my painting streams. Um, but not my coding so much. So I don't think Leaf gets the coding stuff. Okay. Oh, there's only two. Train weights. Okay, so I'll try passing these parameters. Because when the roof caved in and the truth came out, I just didn't know what to do. I did go. If you look, check this out. Painting in Python. This is like the first YouTube project I tried. Oh, it doesn't come up. Usually it comes up on my channel. Here, look. The Python project, but it never if you think that's cool, tell me, and then I'll do a stream on it. I had a really cool idea for that, which is to make a art piece like a Amazon Kindle that's mounted to a wall, and then it draws that constantly. Okay, let's put the parameters here. Glamorous, glamorous. Glamorous, glamorous. Oh, cool. It gave me this too. Feature performance. So days since release is the most important. That's probably not good. Okay, so let's see if those parameters improved it at all. Oh, nice. Thanks, Sleep. Oh, yeah. Sorry, that was loud. No, that wasn't AI. That was just hard coding. So that's not much better. Allow deeper trees to capture complex interactions, reduce regularization so it can fit noise. Allow the tree to learn from fewer samples. I think I might be using bad inputs. Look at the inputs and tell me how important you think each one is. E.S. Yeah, Glamorous. By who? Fergie? Yeah, Fergie, Glamorous. Up in the clouds. You have a severe frequency mismatch. Yeah, of course. Yeah, model looks at this, concludes inputs didn't change. Yeah. So I need to So training a model on everything is probably bad. So I want to add like what's it called? A trailing mean, a trailing average, moving average, that's what it is. So drop previous close, keep days since release, convert your fundamentals into valuation ratios. Previous day's return. Okay. So instead of prev close, let's add that here. So in adult reader, we have prev close. Let's add self.stock data high and go low of prev return is equal to OHLCV dot log return dot shift You go, girl. She bad and she know it. Cause girl like them two-door Fords. Damn, they don't make them like you no more. Cold world, real cold world. Them boys cool. Me, I'm on fire. Tonight. Well, that's a little better. Oh, right. I should use Optuna. Roughly. Optuna. Okay, I'll try to use Optuna. Hit and run. I'll tell you, didn't really want to cut when together. Okay, let's get Optuna. Yeah, more data is always better. Maximum data is the best. $65. getting money. Why you want to take my money? Okay. So, before we define the okay, let those parameters be what they be. And the sunrise. This is crazy. I can't believe they have this in Python. You're right. I don't really. Why do it? Why would I learn it if a computer could learn it? Because I feel like I'm missing something. This is because what's cool about computers is it's so basic. That's what it's pleasing to me. Basic first principle stuff. And whoa, if it's abstracted behind something, I get scared. My intuition is to get scared if something's abstracted away. So here we'll say this is the Optuna strategy. Fastest thing running. Hustler getting money. Why you wanna take my money? And optimize the objective function. Okay, I'm following the Optuna tutorial here, only to find out you live in a dollhouse. Am I wrong, but you are not just using Python to analyze data? Oh well, it's machine learning in Python, and then using AI to help me do it. I need more. We're back to being out of good songs. So fly. You got me sipping. You got me shifted. You lifted, shifted higher than the ceiling. And ooh, it's the ultimate feeling. You got me lifted. Baby, 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 baby. Already got that. Who did I steal from? Making the world feel some. Even get the deal done. Sweeter than pieces of candy. I could shoot, but I could never dribble. Snow the whistle. I guess that should work. That's just 10 of these. Crime family like the Genovese. You don't want drama, capiche. Just like Muhammad Hadid. My comic relief. So what's best params? Oh, trial.params. Okay. Born again. Amongst a mortal man. Can of birds and I'm the early bird. The hell is D-train? D-val. No more than one. X-train. So we've got these. Already made the data sets. So, oh, no. I keep my head strong. This is my canvas. This is my canvas. So trial equals study.best trial. Fuck you, because there is no right or wrong. Equals trial.params. What song is what? I don't know what. I'm not sure what song it was. I think it was the last song. Oh, Sandra's Rose by Drake. It's a good song. Leaf, what was that? You commented a long time ago, some techno song. I forgot what it was called. It goes like, oh yeah, I don't remember what it's called, but it was really famous. Anyway, if you know what I'm talking about, comment it, cause that was a good song. It was big in like maybe 2013 or something. I got distracted. LGB.train. Okay. Oh yeah, I want to add an argument. What? Now it's Sanders Rose. It added. Why did you add the pruning callback? Make a family inside the objective function, but not outside. Sophie Tucker. No, it was somebody else. Some guy. Some really famous guy who's like a famous, I don't know what you call it, DJ or something. Okay. So inside we want the pruning callback. Drama capiche. Just like Muhammad Hadid. Oh. Oh. Are we ready to run this? Amongst immortal men. Border fence. We can't afford to win. Opportunity integration. Holy Spirit Synagogue. And P is not defined. Oh, wow. Oh. My face strong. Adios, Shao. Good luck getting hot water. Are you making tea? deal with that alone. I was up in New York City. I don't know why I could be so selfish. I don't know if it was. Oh, it was a lot. It was close to AJR. I remember you talking about AJR. It was similar to AJR, but it wasn't AJR. But it was some guy. It was a guy's name. It was some guy. Let's see if I can find it. Because it's in my YouTube music. Oh, YouTube music has an AI thing now, so let's see. If I go to the AI, what's that electronic song I listened to over summer? Give me artists. Me a. Okay, it wasn't. It just started playing Sexy Bitch by David Guetta. It's definitely not that. Let's look through the songs it gave. Some guy's name. Nothing. I don't see it anywhere. Yeah, I don't know. Similar. Oh no, similar genre right wise. No, it wasn't Little Dark Age. Um, you included previous return. Yeah, obviously. You must drop nans after your feature engineering and before splitting data. If this was the case, why didn't I get the error before implementing Optuna? No, it wasn't David Guetta. No, it wasn't. I like Florence and the Machine. Before you commented that, I only knew the one song. Oh, I didn't ask. But no, it's some guy's name. Little Dark Age is a famous song. I like that song. It's a good song. Yeah, it's a super popular song. It's like everywhere. Oh man, this is gonna drive me nuts. It goes like, boom, boom. Oh yeah, that is how it. I don't know. See if you could get it from this. And it kind of like dances around and then they used to always put it on football highlight videos, and I'd heard it for like a decade and always wanted to know what the song was called. And then you commented that. It was so cool to finally find that song. The reason you didn't get an error before is that LightGBM handled bad data. In your before code, you never actually ran the Python function. Yeah, I did. Oh, I guess it's not running in the objective function. I'm afraid if I drop nans, will that drop every row that has a nan? I've never heard of Gesaffelstein Aleph. Gesaffelstein Aleph. Must be German. I like MGMT. You guys must like electronic music. No, it's definitely you. It's just some guy. It's some guy's name. Who's a big popular electronic artist that's just a guy, just one guy, and it's just his name. Okay, I'll just try dropping Nan. Oh, back to that input contains Nan. Oh, I think I have to say df is equal to df.dropNA. Oh, it might be Martin Garrix. Well, I can't play the song. That's why I'm trying to find out what the song's called so I could listen to it. Oh, so Dead Mouse, no. I'm gonna look up. I might be wrong. It might not be techno. I don't know how to define these genres. It might just be electronic. I kind of think this song was from like 2013. Let me look up Martin Garrix. No, this guy seems French. That's gonna drive me nuts. Oh, so there's always some Nan in the training set. So let's put in the debugger here and look at the training set. Where's the Nan coming from? No, not Chainsmokers. I think you said you liked it. I think you suggested it as a song you liked. Oh, right. So let's not do that there. And instead, feature data, and then we'll say for data in feature data, target data, data dot drop NA, print len data, then no, it wasn't Avicii. I know that song. Feature So let's add log return to this, and we'll call these not feature keys, we'll call them data keys, and then keys to drop, data keys, and then data is equal to that, and then we'll say print len data, and then we're gonna say data dot drop NA, and then print len data, and we have to say data is equal to this. Okay, then we want to get our feature data. Feature data is equal to data dot drop keys to drop, and then instead of df dot keys we say data dot keys, and here we say data dot drop keys to drop, that should work. Xiao, what are these songs you keep suggesting? Okay, let's see. What was that German song? Let's see. Aphex Twin. Whoa, that's a big... Oh, that's the artist. Alberto Balsam. Alberto Balsamic Vinegar. Oh my god, that's a creepy cover. I do not like that album cover. That is creepy. Are you going to bed?
I am.
Is it 9?
It's 9 something. Almost 10.
Nighty night.
I love you.
See you tomorrow.
Okay, sweet dreams. Good night, little doggy.
National championship tomorrow.
I know. Will you turn out? I'll leave the light on here so you can take him, but.
Okay, thanks, Mom.
Love you.
Love you too. Nighty night. See ya then. Sweet dreams. I was saying goodnight to my mom. Yeah, show's full of jokes. Show's just guessing songs. So why isn't it dropping that? Oh. Oh, but this isn't keys to drop. We just want to drop log return. Then we have to say axis equals 1. More errors. I don't know where the errors start. Let me clear some space. Yeah, you guys both like to joke. Reducing min data in leaf with feature pre-filter equals true may cause unexpected behavior for features that were pre-filtered by the larger min data in leaf. You need to set feature pre-filter equals false to dynamically change the min data in leaf. Feature pre-filter. Feature pre-filter Hey, cool. So this does better, I guess. It's giving sometimes positive predictions. Still seems really flat, but maybe that's reasonable. Directional accuracy is still 45%. So I need basically, I think I need to do, no, I haven't heard that song. I like, it's always darkest before the dawn. Do-do-do-do-do-do. Shake It Off. I like that song. Okay, so I need to, I think I'm gonna be done for now, but let's put in the PowerPoint what we figured out. So today's date is January 18th. Added model in simple add diagnostic logging. Okay, cool. I'll try that. Oh, but now it's working. Oh yeah, so I guess I figured out that error. The thing I need to do now is figure out better inputs to use, because the fact of the matter is if the only inputs are the log return and then the quarterly data, it's going to be lost. So I either need to add in more data like a moving average or something, and then volume, I guess, and stuff. Maybe I could just add OHLCV. Let's go back into tests and see how do I get the volume data. Maybe I'll add the volume as an input. Python 3. Let's do tests. Oh, I don't care about that. Back to tests. How do we look at the data? Second to last. So high, low, close volume. Do I have days since release in here? Yeah. So let's add volume. See, does that improve it at all? Yeah, so that doesn't improve things. Oh, but that's way better. The accuracy went up a little bit, but look at this. When we're getting good, if something happened here, maybe quarterly data. Not enough. So real quick, let's try taking this stuff out. So what if we just use previous return and volume? Oh. So we see here. Oh. Feature performance. And out of my, all the things you said, running through my head. Did I save this? Yeah. This is not enough. Yeah, right. It's not, you can't learn the log return from the previous log return. Lost my mind. Log return not found, but it should be in there. Keys to drop is all of them except those. Oh, because I didn't put a comma. Oh, yeah. So I got to figure out, so what's the accuracy? Still 48%, but that looks way better. So I'm going to have to add in some other indicators, but that's what I'll do on tomorrow's stream. Model in simple lgbm run.py works poorly. Mixing mixing quarterly report with price data is ugly. Do concentrate on two strategies next. First, quarterly report data to predict quarterly return. And then we're going to do price data to predict log return. Do longer periods. Bad romance. Whoa, caught in a bad romance. Caught in a bad romance. So yeah, we could see here shall. This isn't giving us anything. Only two features are volume and previous return, and volume is more important. So how are you going to predict the return from volume? Good luck with that. Okay, now I just need to add stuff to GitHub. EIE So and Nick. I've never heard of that song. What song do you love, Shao? Bad Romance. This is one of the best songs ever. Bad Romance. Okay, so in tests, added test for data alignment. Added script to run LGBM. Wrote functions for merging fundamentals into price data. I want your love and I want your revenge. I want your love and I wanna be friends. Je t'en aime et je veux te revoir. Je t'en aime. I don't wanna be friends. Okay, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Oh, where is my mind? Was I singing that earlier? That is a good song. Oh, I wasn't listening to that, though. Nicely. You guys are learning from each other. All right, adios. That's it for now. Tomorrow I'm going to look at different things to use in the model, and we'll see how we could get it to run well. Thank you guys for watching. That's what I thought too, Xiao. Yeah, they did, unless you have Starlink. But who knows? That seems like it's a CIA operation, if you ask me. Anyway, have a good night, guys. Thanks for watching. Tune in next time. Free, I want